Hello students, today we will be discuss about the files. What is an file? File is nothing but a collection of data which is stored on a secondary device like a hard disk is known as file. So a file we will be storing, it will be collecting the information or the data. Where it will be storing, it will be stored on the secondary device we are saying. So like an hard disk, so is known as a file. So file is also, we can be say in another definition, a file represents the sequence of the bytes on the disk which are grouped together. Related data is stored. Yes, so file is created for permanent storage of data. Okay, the both definitions you can be write it. So what is a file? File is nothing but collection of data or information which is stored on a secondary device. So like an hard disk, in the hard disk all the data will be collected and we will be stored. So that is nothing but the file. So file, we are collecting the information or the data. Okay, so where we will be storing, we will be storing on a secondary device. So that is an file. So how to, in the file, if we need to create, if you want to create the file in the C language, in the C language the files can be supported. So whenever we want to create the file, we have to use the pointer. So how to declare file pointer, how to declare file pointer. If you want to declare the file pointer, what is an pointer? What is an pointer? Pointer is nothing but it is a variable. Pointer is a variable which hold which holds which holds the address of another variable. So So pointer, what is an pointer? So to declare the file, we have to use a pointer. Pointer is nothing but is a variable which holds the address of the another variable. Another variable address pointer hold చేస్తుందని అర్థం. So in the file creation, the word we have to use the syntax of the file pointer syntax. File, F-I-L-E, file in the uppercase you have to write it, and next you have to the indication, that is a star indicate, and FP is nothing but the file pointer. This is an syntax for the to declare the file pointer. In the file, for example, if you want to create int data type, we will be use the int. Like that, if you want to declaring the float, we will be for the decimal point, we will be use float, the data type. If you want to create the character, we will be use char. Like that, you have to create the file pointer. The word you have to use the file star fp. Fp is the file pointer, the file name. You can be use a ptr or the fp, the variable you can be take anything. You can be take the a also, star a. Now it will be indicate it is an pointer. Okay, this is an example, this is the syntax for the how to declaring the pointer. And next, the file pointer, what it will be do? So file pointer will be hold the address of the file, so which we need to create or which we need to open the file. If we need to open or if you want to create any file, you have to use a file star fp only. And next, what are the basic operations we'll be performing on the file? Basic file operations. What are the basic operations? Means f open, means f means file open, this is a function, so you have to keep the parenthesis. So f open is nothing but to create a new file, create a new file, or open an existing file. So which is already open file, you can be open, or whether you want to create a new file, you have to use the fopen function. For creating already open అయిన ఫైల్ అయినా కూడా fopen function ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. And next we have the next basic operation, f close, that is an file close. You want to create చేసిన ఫైల్ ని క్లోజ్ చేయాలి అనుకున్నప్పుడు f close function ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. So to close is the file, closes f file, f close. Next, gets. So gets is nothing but to read, reads a character from a file. So gets always we will be using for the string gets, read a character from a file, get c, put c, put means write, c stands, c indicate the character, write a character into a file. F, scanf. Scanf already we studied. Scanf is to read it is a read function, that is an input function. So you can be used in the int to read the int values, float values. So file, so it will be read set of data from a file. F, printf, write a set of data into a file. Get w, w for the integer, to read an integer value or integer from a file. Put w, put for the write an integer into a file. So these are the basic file operations.